Hello mga alamat! Welcome to our PSEI market overview video, no? Ngayon, ang goal natin sa videos na to, as always, is tignan yung index from a weekly and daily perspective to help us paint a bigger picture lang sa kung ano ang nangyayari. Tapos may mga pagkakataon na pwede rin natin tong gamitin as possible confluence or added conviction to trade ideas we might have. Na as always, magsisimula po tayo dito sa weekly chart, no? Now, dito sa weekly chart, since we last looked at yung index, umangat naman siya ng konti, no? The last time we looked at it was this candle here, 2 weeks ago. Tapos ngayon, umangat na tayo. In fact, we closed above the high of last week's candle as well. Diba? Nag-fill tayo ng gap na to. Last week, doon tayo nauntog. This week, we're continuing our push higher. And yung next level of resistance na tinitignan natin, at least from the weekly time frame, will be 6,539. Kung mabasag yung 6,539, then we have a chance to revisit yung 6,800 plus na level. Now, may mga nabasa ako sa Twitter na this could be because meron tayong softer inflation numbers from the US, no? Tapos yung ibang mga stock markets nag-recover din. So, this has been good for us. Pinatuloy niya yung push ng konti, albeit when I took a look at the index names today, hindi naman lahat super interesting, kung baga. Okay? If you want to know more of those, be sure to check out yung mga charting session videos na linalabas natin during the course of the week. Now, kung kunwari from here, we see price fall back down and close beneath 6,080 or sabihin natin 6,000 pesos na level, then we might come back and revisit yung gap na naiwan natin dito from before. But I think the best case scenario na pwede nating i-anticipate as we head into December, 'di ba? Syempre gusto naman nating lahat ng may Pasko rally, 'di ba? Is a push towards 6.5, 6.6 na area. I know of some brokers na parang predict nila that the market could close at 6.7 by the end of 2022. Maybe we get there, but I think yung pinakamaganda na pwede nating i-anticipate is maybe we start ranging within this area, mga between 6,080 hanggang 6,500, 6,600, or even all the way nga doon sa sabi ng iba na 6.7, and then use that as a foundation to push higher sa Q1 ng 2023. After all, if you look back, usually first quarter yung pinakamaganda ang performance ng mga stocks, no? Kasi usually around that time parang nag-reset button ka. Mas maraming excited na papasok, maraming nag-reposition, and so on and so forth, no? Now, kung kunwari naman, we came down, broke beneath that gap, pati yung 5.6, 5.7 binasag natin, then medyo delikado na. Yung pinapangarap natin na Christmas rally, baka hindi na maganap, no? Now, a close beneath nitong 5.657 na area will probably lead to yung next level of support at 5,390 or lagay na lang natin sa 5.4. Now, let's go down to the daily time frame and look at this further to see kung meron ba tayong makikita doon na hindi natin kaagad nakita dito given more details. Now, dito sa daily chart, we can see, tulad ng dati na pinag-usapan natin, that we might be forming some type of rising wedge, no? Or potential na bear flag. Now, ano yung confirmation nun? If price comes back down and actually breaks beneath yung trend line natin dito sa baba, then that could potentially lead to a move to the downside, no? Perhaps, again, either revisiting tong 6,080 or even lower. Baka balikan na nga natin yung mga lower levels at 5,980, 5,825, and then as we said kanina, at 5,691. So ideally, ayaw sana natin makita na mabasag to the downside like so. Maganda, 'di ba? Parang pinag-usapan natin kanina, if we could start consolidating here, inegate na natin itong channel na to para kung kunwari heading into Q1 ng 2023, we see a break to the upside, alam na natin saan ba yung invalidation ng thesis. Meron tayong pwedeng sandalan. Now, dito sa daily chart, mapapansin nyo, mas marami tayong levels. Ganon talaga, kasi syempre, mas maraming detalye dito Now, pwede bago pa tayo umabot doon sa 6,540, mauntog tayo dito sa next level of resistance at 6,433, no? In fact, kahit bago pa tayo umabot dyan, it wouldn't surprise me if we fill the gap na naiwan natin dito. Diba? Kasi nga, may magandang balitang lumabas. So, yung gap down kahapon, binawian ng gap up today, pero may gap na naiwan in between. Diba? So, wala pa naman tayo dun sa area na masasabi natin na safe na, malamang hindi na mababalikan yung gap na yan for now. So, we're still a little bit wary and be careful na ma-fill yan kasi syempre, ayaw naman natin na either mamili tayo ng masyadong maaga or makabili tayo ng masyadong late. Okay? Now, kung kunwari from here, again, nabasag natin tong 6,540, dito pumapasok yung 6.7 na level na pinag-usapan natin kanina and yung prediction din ng ibang mga brokers. And if we can break above tong 6.7 na area, 6,883 na yung kasunod. Kung pati yan mabasag, we might fill the gap here or come back and tag yung mga highs na naiwan dito. Okay? Now, dahil nagkaroon tayo ng inefficient move to the downside dito, hindi nakakagulat na we are trying to fill in that move now. Pero, just because that move fills in, it doesn't necessarily mean na dapat bullish na agad. Diba? It's just that normal naman yun eh. Inefficient moves tend to get filled in. After it gets filled in, dun magkakasubukan. Saan pupunta ang price after? Mangyayari ba yung konso na sinabi natin? Tutuloy-tuloy lang ba yung break to the upside? Or, mababasag tayo pababa and then before we know it, gumugulong na naman tayo down the hill, no? Para maakuha tayo ng Christmas rally, okay, I would really prefer if price can stay above 6,162 na. If we can stay above that area, kahit maliit na rally man lang, baka maakuha tayo. Pero kapag ma-reclaim yun, parang medyo dehado tayo ng konti eh. We go into, let's just say, a more bearish looking structure, most likely. Siyempre, pwede pa naman magbago yon between now and the next time na titignan natin to. As I said, fluid ang structure eh. Hindi natin alam how it's gonna develop moving forward. We can anticipate potential scenarios looking at what it is right now, but there's no guarantee na yun yung mangyayari heading into the future. That's why technical analysis is not necessarily a predictive tool, but rather a scenario-making tool and a risk management tool. Okay? So, yun yung mga tinitingnan natin dito sa PSEI, no? Now, if you want to join yung newsletter natin, I've included a link to it in the description box below. You get more or less written transcript ko ano yung ina-explain ko dito sa video. At the same time, meron tayong mga bi-weekly lessons na nakasama dun sa newsletter na yon, no? Tapos, ang maganda pa nun, mabibigyan kayo ng access sa Discord group natin. Okay? Just join the newsletter. When you receive yung welcome email nyo, there should be a link there that prompts you to join yung Discord server natin which is called Silid Aralan. Okay? So guys, dito nagtatapos yung video natin, no? If you want to know more, ano yung mga paborito kong brokers sa PSE, Forex, Crypto, the link to that video or the video itself should be appearing somewhere near the lower left-hand side of your screen right around now, no? Or if not right now, soon thereafter. Okay, so be sure to check that out. And as always, guys, good luck sa trading. GT over and out.